Dear students, in the last section we have seen requirement elicitation and one of the requirement elicitation technique, that is interview. Today we will see the second requirement elicitation technique, that is brainstorming session. So brainstorming is a group technique that may be used during requirement elicitation to understand the requirement. The group discussion may lead to new ideas quickly and help to promote creative thinking. Brainstorming has become a very popular and is being used by most of the companies. It promotes creative thinking, then generates new ideas, provides platform to share views, and the difficulties of implementations. All this is discussed in the brainstorming session. All participants are encouraged to say whatever ideas come in mind, whether they seem to relevant or not, and no one will be criticized for any idea. This group technique may be carried out with specialized groups like actual users, then middle level managers, or with total stakeholders. Sometimes unnatural groups are created that may not be appreciated. At times only the responses may be gathered. So in order to handle such groups or such situation, a highly trained facilitator may be required. The facilitator may handle group bias or group conflicts carefully. The facilitator should also be cautious about individual egos and dominance. The facilitator may follow published agenda, and every idea will be documented in a way that everyone can see it. This facilitator will encourage the participants and ensure proper individual and groups behavior and help to capture the ideas, and these ideas will be documented in such a way that everyone can see it. So for that purpose, whiteboards or transparencies or computer projection system can be used to make it visible to every participants, and after this session a detailed report is prepared, and this is prepared by the facilitator, and facilitator will review the report. Every idea will be written in the simple English language so that it conveys the same meaning to every stakeholder. Okay, so this is about the brainstorming session. Next technique is facilitated application specification technique, that is FAST. So it is similar to the brainstorming session, and the objective is to bridge the expectation gap. The expectation gap means a difference between what developers think they are supposed to build and what customers thinks they are going to get. So in order to reduce the expectation gap, a team oriented approach is developed, and that is called as the FAST, that's a facilitated application specification technique for requirement elicitation. This approach encourages the creation of joint team, and the basic guidelines for the FAST are: arrange a meeting at a neutral site for developers and customers, establishment of rules for participation and preparation, prepare an informal agenda that encourage free flow of ideas, appoint a facilitator. So this facilitator may be a developer, it may be he or she may be a customer or outside expert. Prepare a definition mechanism board, worksheets, flip charts, and stickers. And participants should not criticize or debate. Okay, so this is about the FAST. Thank you so much.